Traditional beverages like tea and coffee have long been our preferred, for a warm and comforting drink. But have you ever considered spicing up your tea routine? Enter Clove tea, a delightful and aromatic beverage that not only tantalizes your taste buds but also brings a myriad of health benefits. Cloves, not just culinary stars but also ancient healers, have been adding magic to Indian dishes for centuries. Cloves are the fragrant buds of the Syzygium aromaticum tree, originating from the lush Maluku Islands in Indonesia. These little wonders aren't just about aroma and flavor, they have a history of contributing to various products, from toothpaste to cosmetics, thanks to their aromatic and savory qualities. Join us on this journey as we unravel the 12 life-changing benefits of clove tea and how a daily cup can transform your well-being. Number 1. Cancer combatant. Eugenol, a major component of cloves, has been of particular interest due to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Eugenol might just have the potential to inhibit cancer cell growth, making them an ally in the battle against cancer. Number 2. Improved sexual health. Cloves are being studied for their effects on testosterone levels and circulatory health, both of which are pivotal elements of sexual well-being. Eugenol in cloves may have a positive impact on testosterone levels. A study published in 2018 found that eugenol administration increased testosterone levels in male rats. However, it's crucial to note that human studies in this area are limited. Number 3. Circulation revival. Clove tea isn't just a drink, it's a circulatory boost. Enhancing blood flow, it regulates body temperature and metabolism, creating a symphony of improved organ function. Number 4. Immunity elevation. Loaded with vitamins and minerals, clove tea becomes your shield. Strengthening the immune system and acting as a fever warrior, it's a potion of resilience. Number 5. Nutrient-rich elixir. Beyond flavor, clove tea brings a nutrient package. Packed with essential vitamins and minerals, it promotes bone health and becomes your ally in the fight against chronic diseases. Before we move on to number 6, we want to remind you that your support keeps us going, so please consider hitting the like button to show your interest in topics like this. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to stay updated with our latest videos. Number 6. Bladder defender. Clove tea might just be the superhero against urinary tract infections, inhibiting the growth of bacteria responsible for these uncomfortable invaders. Number 7. Breathe Easy Brew. Picture this: sinus infections bidding adieu with a warm cup of clove tea. Its expectorant properties clear congestion and offer a breath of relief from infections. Number 8. Dental elixir. If toothaches are your nemesis, clove tea is your ally. Dive into centuries-old wisdom. It reduces gum inflammation, maintains oral health, and leaves your breath as fresh as a breeze. Number 9. Serenity in a sip. Feeling stressed? Let clove tea be your calming companion. Its soothing effects on the nervous system may just be the stress reliever you've been searching for. Number 10. Sugar Control Symphony. Cloves step into the arena of blood sugar regulation. For those with diabetes or prediabetes, this may be a sip towards maintaining those sugar levels. Number 11. Digestive Dynamo. Say goodbye to digestion woes. Clove tea aids digestion, tackles indigestion and flatulence, and might even be your secret weapon against inflammation-related weight gain. Number 12. Acne Avenger. Unleash the power of clove extract against acne. Its anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties are your secret weapons against troublesome skin issues. A word of caution. While cloves are generally harmless, those on blood-thinning medications should consult their doctor before indulging in large quantities. And since you stayed till the end of this video, here's a bonus clove tea idea you could use in your daily life. Number 13. Nature's hand sanitizer. Who knew cold clove tea could be your on-the-go hand sanitizer? Forget the chemicals, let nature disinfect your hands with a splash of clove tea. If you found value in this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative health tips every single day. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Stay healthy, stay strong, and we'll see you next time.